Have you ever really thought about how incredible it is to hear? It's something we often take for granted, but sound shapes our world in ways we don't always notice. Every day, our ears pick up a symphony of noises, some loud, some soft, some familiar, and some surprising. The sound of your favorite song, a loved one's voice, the laughter of friends, or the gentle hum of the city outside your window. These are the moments that make life richer and more meaningful. Even your dog's snore. These are the sounds that color our lives. They connect us to memories, to people, and to the world around us. Imagine a day without them. It would feel empty, almost silent in a way that goes beyond just quiet. But what if those sounds started to fade? That's why World Hearing Day exists, to celebrate the gift of sound and remind us to protect it. Our hearing is precious, and it deserves our attention and care. The story begins in 2007 at a major conference in Beijing, China. Doctors and scientists from all over the world gathered for the first international conference on prevention and rehabilitation of hearing impairment. It was a meeting of minds united by a common goal. Their goal was simple: help people with hearing loss. During that meeting, they decided we needed a day each year to remind the world to care for its ears. And so, the first Hearing Awareness Day was born, marking a new chapter in global health. Why March 3rd? Because 3.3, when turned sideways, looks like two little ears, a clever visual reminder of what the day is about. That first event in Beijing planted a seed of awareness, one that would soon grow far beyond China. It was a message of hope. Hearing loss can be prevented, treated, and supported. The goal was to spark a global movement, to inspire people everywhere to value their hearing and take steps to protect it. And that's exactly what happened. From one idea and two numbers that looked like ears, a worldwide tradition began. Now, every March 3rd, we remember to listen, not just with our ears, but with our hearts. It's a day to reflect, to learn, and to share the importance of hearing with others. It's about connection, kindness, and making sure everyone can enjoy the sounds of life. That small step in Beijing grew into a global celebration, touching millions of lives. And it all started with a sound idea, a simple thought that changed the world. At first, this day was called International Ear Care Day, a name that focused on the basics: protect your ears, avoid loud noises, and remember the importance of regular checkups. People were encouraged to get their hearing checked, just as they would their eyesight or teeth. The early years were about building a foundation, spreading the word to doctors, clinics, and communities, and making sure everyone understood the value of healthy ears. The focus was on prevention, stopping ear infections in children, preventing noise-induced hearing loss, and teaching families how to care for their ears at home. It was about making ear care part of everyday health, woven into daily routines and family habits. Parents were reminded to check their children's hearing. Adults were urged to be mindful of their sound environment, whether at work, home, or out in the world. But as awareness grew, so did the vision. The movement began to reach more people and new ideas started to take shape. It became clear that hearing is about more than just medical care. It's about connection, joy, and the magic of sound that brings people together. The organizers realized they needed a name that inspired everyone, not just doctors or health workers, but people from all walks of life. The movement was ready to blossom into something bigger, reaching beyond clinics and into the hearts of communities everywhere. Ear Care Day was the strong base, but the message needed to reach hearts as well as minds, inspiring people to care about hearing in new ways. The day began to evolve, focusing on how hearing connects us all, across cultures, ages, and backgrounds. It was about making ear care a normal part of life. Not just a medical concern, but a daily act of self-care and connection. The little seed of awareness was ready to grow into a global movement, touching lives everywhere. The next step, a new name and a broader mission that could inspire the world. The world was listening and ready for change, eager to embrace a new era of hearing health. The foundation was set. Now it was time to build something lasting, something that would echo for generations. The journey from Ear Care Day to a worldwide celebration had begun, and the story was just getting started. This is when things really took off. The movement, which had been steadily growing, was about to enter a whole new era, one that would change the way the world thinks about hearing health. In 2016, the World Health Organization, WHO, officially took the lead and renamed it World Hearing Day. Suddenly, the movement had a global stage and a powerful voice. With WHO's involvement, the message of hearing health reached new heights, gaining credibility and attention from governments, health professionals, and communities everywhere. With WHO's support, World Hearing Day became a truly international event, reaching cities and villages worldwide. Who brought expertise, resources, and a unified message, creating yearly themes and educational materials in dozens of languages. This meant that people from all walks of life, no matter where they lived, could access vital information about hearing care. Governments were encouraged to make hearing care a national priority, leading to more screenings, better access to hearing aids, and stronger support for those with hearing loss. Policies began to shift, and new programs were launched to help people of all ages protect and improve their hearing. The day shifted from awareness to action, connecting hearing health to overall well-being. The transformation was more than a name change. It was a leap from a niche issue to a global health priority. People began to understand that hearing health is essential for communication, education, and quality of life. Who united doctors, policymakers, teachers, parents, and individuals under one banner. A global family was born, dedicated to the right to hear. Every year, that family grows stronger as more people join the cause and share their stories. World Hearing Day became a catalyst for real change. The world was no longer just talking about hearing loss, it was doing something about it. And the impact continues to spread, inspiring hope and action in communities everywhere. Each year, World Hearing Day gets a theme, a focus that guides global action. These themes break down hearing health into manageable, powerful messages. In 2015, Make Listening Safe warned about loud music and headphones, especially for young people. In 2017, Action for Hearing Loss, Make a Sound Investment, urged governments to see hearing care as smart economics. Hear the Future, in 2018, called for protecting the next generation. Hearing for Life, Don't Let Hearing Loss Limit You, in 2020, empowered people to thrive with hearing aids and support. Each theme came with practical tips, like the 60-60th rule for safe listening, and inspiring stories. Posters, videos, and toolkits brought the message to life worldwide. These yearly themes have shaped how we think about hearing, sparking action and changing attitudes. They've made hearing health personal, practical, and inspiring. The themes are the heartbeat of World Hearing Day. They keep the conversation fresh and focused, and they remind us protecting our hearing is a lifelong journey. World Hearing Day has grown into a global celebration with hundreds of events in over 100 countries. Hospitals offer free screenings, schools hold contests, and communities host concerts and workshops. Social media buzzes with the official hashtag, creating a worldwide conversation. The movement is grassroots. Everyone finds their own way to join in. Technology plays a big role too. The WHO's Hear Who app lets anyone check their hearing quickly and easily. Millions have downloaded it, putting hearing health in their own hands. The success of World Hearing Day comes from every teacher, doctor, student, and parent who participates. It's a celebration powered by people, not just organizations. The message is clear. Together, we can protect our hearing. Every action, big or small, makes a difference. And that's what makes this movement unstoppable. What's next for World Hearing Day? The future is about changing mindsets. The new theme, Changing Mindsets, Let's Make Ear and Hearing Care a Reality for All, challenges old ideas and stigma. It's about making ear care as normal as brushing your teeth and celebrating hearing aids as life-changing technology. The focus is shifting to innovation, safer listening standards, better devices, and early screening in schools. The goal integrate hearing care into every level of healthcare, making it a standard part of checkups. No matter where you live or how old you are, you should have access to quality hearing care. The future is proactive, not reactive. It's about connection, possibility, and inclusion. World Hearing Day is calling on all of us to help make this vision real. The journey is just beginning. Hearing is more than detecting sound. It's how we connect, share, and belong. Untreated hearing loss can lead to isolation, sadness, and even depression. For children, it affects learning and friendships. For adults, it impacts work and well-being. For older adults, it's linked to other health issues. Most hearing loss is preventable, caused by things we can control, like noise or untreated infections. Prevention and access to care are crucial. Affordable hearing aids, speech therapy, and community support can change lives. No one should be left behind because they can't hear well. Ignoring hearing loss costs billions globally, but investing in hearing care pays off in health, productivity, and happiness. Taking care of our hearing is an investment in our future. It's an act of kindness to ourselves and to others. Protecting hearing means protecting our connections, our health, and our joy. The journey of World Hearing Day proves what's possible when people unite for a cause. The stigma around hearing loss is fading, replaced by openness and support. More people are seeking help, sharing stories, and embracing hearing aids as tools for a fuller life. Collaboration is key. Governments, organizations, and communities working together for change. Innovation is making hearing care better and more affordable. National strategies are emerging, and a new generation is learning to protect their hearing. The momentum is unstoppable. World Hearing Day will keep inspiring, educating, and uniting us. The goal, a world where everyone can hear, no one left in silence. Every person deserves the laughter of loved ones, the sounds of nature, and the music of life. By working together, we can make that world real. The future of hearing health is bright, and it's for all of us.